Hello, class. We are now about to work on two more radii. This is more of just an exercise to exercise. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to this. Let's select on dashboard right here. We're going to go back into the Armor Bearer site. And of course, I'm going to log in. Okay, let's go ahead and get into Gamma Physics. Okay, so we're going to go back to level 3 experimental activities. And under level 3 experimental activities, we have stage 3, two more radii. Just going to select on that. Okay, so let's just read this. It says step 1, download the following video. So we're going to download the two more radii. Basically, it's the same as the first video that we used. So we downloaded that to our photos. And we're going to follow the procedure in the video that's called second piece of tape. So you can view the entire video or watch the experimental video in the level 3 knowledge base, which is this video, okay? And we're going to upload the video, Excel spreadsheet, origin and scale snapshot. And then we're going to do the same thing for the edge of the rod, okay? And then we're going to just share the link to this. So it says follow the procedure in the video, edge of rod part 2, view the entire video, and then follow the procedure in video, edge of rod part. I meant to say part 1, and now I'm saying part 2. Okay, and view the entire video. So instead of doing all of that, which you can, again, you can go and develop everything from your base. Just going to go into video physics. And I am going to create an experiment. I'm going to select on this plus sign here. And I could take a video, choose existing, sample videos or iTunes. I'm going to choose existing. It's just like we did last time. I'm going to go to the camera roll here. And I'm going to select this 5-second video again. And then I'm going to use this video. All right, so we need to set our origin and scale. But before we do that, let's go back to experiment and let's label this. Let's call this second piece. And I'm just going to put in brass Eric and say OK. So I'm going to go ahead and go into that. And now I am going to set the origin and the scale here. And remember, here's our pixel rod, and here is our origin. So I'm just going to put that at the pivot point, which is right where that screw is located. And now I want to utilize my ruler in the back to match this pixel rod with. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go up here. And we know that that is 1/10 of a meter. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on this calibration. So that's 0.1 meters. I'm going to take a snapshot of that. So I want to see second piece of tape here. I want to see that 0.1. I want to see your origin set here. And I want to see 10 centimeters set. It could be anywhere along this ruler. It just needs to be 10 centimeters. Or if it's 20 centimeters, it needs to be 20 centimeters. Whatever you choose and set, it needs to match this. So I'm going to go ahead and snap a picture of that, and I just did. And so, of course, that is in my photos. So I'm going to go to Dropbox. We're going to go to that experiment, which is under Physics, Brass Eric. And now we're no longer in preliminary unit circle extending. We're in two more radii. We'll go here, and you can see that the video is still available there. It's the same video. And then we have our edge of rod template. I'm just going to go ahead and select on these three dots, and then I'm going to upload a file. To upload a file, I'm going to choose photos here, and then I'm going to choose the very last photo that I have in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and upload. So that file is uploaded, and I can look at it, and I can look at the name, Second Piece Brass Eric, and I can see everything. Everything. Good. So now I'm going to stop right there. When we come back, we are going to work on acquiring the points for the second piece of tape.